this is the polyester fabric. Yeah.
Okay, now next 23. Okay, we will have a orchid phalaenopsis. This orchid is not like the ordinary one. This is in small size and elegant, I think. The color 3D printing with touch. This material PEVA.
Yeah.
Real touch.
Also, you can see the back side, also very beautiful. But the white don't show so clearly. You can see this. See, looks so real. Also, this is very good choice. I think you can try.
Yes, I think this one is very special in the market. Usually we have the standard size for this one, while this one smaller than the normal one. So yeah. I think if you are special, take this one.
Yeah. Also, you can see the center, the petal. We change it according to the color. See the petal. So the more details, you can see the quality, but also the good price. Sure. Yeah, this is good one.
Okay, so I would like to introduce one standard one.
23 and
okay.
is 24.
24. Okay, you can keep one piece.
Okay.
Just for compare. Okay. One piece, the small one. You see, just compare the small size, the ordinary one. This one we have a good price, of course. This one. This one we have 6 flower, and also with some bus. And usually white one is the most popular color in the world. Everywhere white one. So I just show you the white one for this flower. Okay.
Yeah, they also have many color.
Yes, usually yeah, people take more for this one, pure white.
This is also the real touch.
The number you change, excuse me?
24. Yeah, already
24.
changed.
Okay,
the big one. Yeah.
24.
So, okay.
Okay, this is good one.
So
now, okay, another one. Okay, this one, you see the hanging. Okay, number 25 for this one. Number 25. This one also, I like it. I like it. I think every florist like this one. It's falling down like this. You see, in different color. Okay, I think we have two different items. Okay, one big, one small. Okay, let me check.
This is 12. Yeah, this is 12.
Yes, we have two size of this one. Okay, a big one and a small one. Yes, we can see the difference. Okay, let's take, this is 26, 25, the difference. Okay, this is more, they have more flower.
Yeah.
That's the big one. So if you want a better price, you can take the small one. And also, the color, okay. The color, the same. Usually, I think this color, every color I like. You see,
purple. Yeah, I think that's all. Already have the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 color.
4 color?
Yeah, 4 color.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, 4 color. Classic. I like it. So.
This is also good for arrangement, right?
Yes.
When you make
good.
the arrangement.
Very good for florist.
Yeah. But for this, we want to stress because this petal will make the small fabric round stick together.
Yes, it will more or less will fall down.
Yes,
will fall
more.
Down.
Because when we make it and
With
there's
glue.
more petals on it, but when make after something will falling down.
Yeah,
but,
you can see the table.
Yeah,
yes.
But don't affect the quality because even the falling down also still have some on it, right?
Yes,
still have some on it. So this is not the quality problem. This is this ways to make products just like this way, right? That's more petal on it. Yeah. Okay,
so these two, big and small. Okay.
Yeah.
So. Okay, now next one. Number 27. Number 27. I would like to introduce a small one. Okay. Okay.
Also, this 3D printing, right? This one is 3D printing.
Yes. Okay, this 2 color we have.
Number 27.
Number 27, right? Number 27. Okay.
Already here?
Yes. Okay, so for this one, also not so big, but the color printing, 3D printing. Something special flower. 27, this one.
Good price and good for arrangement.
Yes, this is something special, not ordinary. Okay, now I would like to have another one. Okay.
28.
28, yes. One moment, excuse me. We have 3 colors. This one.
This is large, just like a little open, right? Not so big open, just a little.
Yeah, like a butt.
This is a tulip, right?
Not tulip, I think. Okay.
This is
but
tulip.
Looks like tulip. I think actually I'm not sure for this one. Okay, 3 color. Okay, special.
This should put more and will be more beautiful, I think.
Yes. Okay, 28. That is 28. Now
this is good price with good price.
Okay, now this one also small one.
Yeah, this is 29.
29. Okay. 29 for this one. Okay, my hand. Like this. Okay. 29. Okay. Yeah. This is also sunflower, not often see.
Yeah, this also wildflower, I think. Also, arrangement is good, I think.
Yes. This is especially for those who knows the flowers. If you are, take it.
Okay.
Okay. 29. Okay, for these small flowers. Okay, okay. And you see, this is a long stem. Long stem is around 1 meter 10. 1 meter 10 cm around. Actually, exactly should be 109 cm. Okay, this flower also we make for this. You know, this is very small one. Small flower petal. You see, small. We make it 3D, incredible. Because really no one will do in this way. Because the flower petals are so small and we are making it printed 3D. Of course, usually the white one, no printing.
Yeah, the behind also have the small size.
Yeah, for this flower we have 3 sizes.
Here.
3 size. Okay, this is the medium size and the small one. Okay, maybe we can make it 20, this 30, 31, 32. 32 for the small one, medium.
Also for a small one, you can see, put it into the vase. So beautiful.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, you can see.
This one. The small one, 32.
Yeah.
32 for this.
Yeah.
Yes. We can make a few pieces, several pieces in one vase. It will look very good. No need special flower art. Okay.
Also, you can see the details for the flower petal.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Same 3D printing.
3D printing.
Okay.
See?
Okay, let's compare.
Yeah. You want yellow?
Yeah, okay. 3 sides together. 3 sides together. Can you see? Or maybe I put here. Very much. Okay. The smallest, okay, the small one.
54 centimeters.
54.
Yeah.
And the medium size is 73 cm. The big one, 109 cm.
Yeah. 3 sizes.
Okay, 3 sizes in 30, 31, and 32. Okay, if you are interested, please give me a screenshot. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, so if you are interested, please leave your message to us, your company name, your business card, and we are from Goldsun in Dongguan. Now, okay, ladies and gentlemen, this one, peony. This is a very popular flower in China. It is called one of our national flower even. Peony. In Chinese, we call it 牡丹. Ah, 牡丹，百花丛中最鲜艳. Okay, a Chinese song, very old song. This it means, oh, the peony, you are the most brightest. You have the most brightest color among all the flowers.
Also the fabric, the material is soft.
Oh, okay, very soft.
Yeah.
Yes. And we can have a look to this one. We have a lot, a wide range of colors for this one. Okay, this one. Okay, you see, so many colors. Okay, I'll show you one maybe. Okay, yeah. So if you are interested in this one, let me know. Let me know. We can offer you a lot of colors, I think.
When we make send you the photo quotation, we will show the color card. Every color we have it, we will send it to you. So just leave your message, and then we will contact you and send the photo quotation to you. Also, if you need samples, sample is by free. Sample is by free, no charge. But you need to pay the sample freight. Then we can send the sample to you. Okay. So
okay,
this is
next one. Okay, next
33,
one.
right? Okay, we go next one.
Next one, I would like to introduce a flower on this board.
Yeah.
On this board.
This is,
okay. Okay, I take this one. This is Daniel.
Yeah, this also is good. I think you can take all because this is more beautiful.
Okay, the Daniel flower is very popular one with touch. Okay, show you. Okay. Now this one.
Yeah.
Dahlia flower. This is also a very popular one. I think the color, you should see the color. Not a very simple one, complicated. And the color comes gradually from light to dark. You can see the color change. So it looks very natural, and the flower petals with soft touch.
Also single back peach, I think.
Yes, with a kind of coating this fabric. Okay, this is very popular. Don't miss this one.
So this is 34, right?
Yes, so 34 for Daniel. Okay. Now,
35.
okay, 35.